River Godavari. Does that remind you of something?
Of course, I recollect ma'am mentioning that Godavari is the second longest river in India and it flows through both the Telugu speaking states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana.
Speaking of Telangana, do you know that the people of this state celebrate two major festivals, Bonalu and Batukamma?
Yes, I recently remember watching the festival of Batukamma being celebrated all over the city of Hyderabad with great pomp and show during Durga Navratri.
Batukamma is Telangana's floral festival celebrated by the Hindus every year in the months September and October.
In Telugu, Batukamma means Mother Goddess come alive and Goddess Mahagauri, the life giver.
The Batukamma is arranged with a beautiful stack of flowers in 7 layers in the shape of a temple gopuram.
The men and women of the family prepare the Batukamma and goddess of womanhood and worship together.
The goddess is created each year and immersed on the 10th day of the festival in local water bodies.
This largest festival of Telangana started centuries ago, still celebrated as a grand cultural event by all families of the region.
So please put your hands together for grade 3A, Tellapur, who are now going to present a dance on the cultural traditions of Telangana.
Go take your place.
పొడల పొడల గట్ల నడుమా సందమామా
ఉయ్యాలో